Welcome, from me is ZTE Blade 10, and today I'll show you how to hard reset a device through settings. And to get started, we will want to go obviously into the settings. From here you want to scroll all the way down to System, then choose Advanced, where you'll find the reset options, and under here you'll have at the bottom, or as a last option, erase all data, factory reset. And when you tap on it, it will give you an information that performing this will remove things like your Google accounts, which are provided at the bottom if you are signed in, system app data and settings, music, photos, and other user data, along with downloaded apps. So if you want to keep any of those things, I would primarily say any of those things like music or photos, which you sometimes won't be able to get back, then you might want to back it up beforehand, because once you go with the erase all data, well, it will obviously erase that, and this process cannot be undone, so everything will be lost. So just make sure you have a backup copy if you need it. So from here, let's tap on erase all data, and once more, and there we go. As you can see, it's now removing basically everything. Now this will take a couple minutes, and once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can now set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.